Hey guys, this is Mark and Jeff with Animal Experts here. Well, if you're wondering what we're doing inside a closet here, we're doing a ET come home. So I'm going to show you a little thing what Jeff's going to be doing right here. You can see, look it down there. We got a bobcat that actually got into the lady's house through an open screen, went in there. When she called me, I said, I don't know. This sounds like ET to me. Do your thing, buddy. Let's see what we got.
Hey, baby.
I think she needs a bigger closet. This is only like 12 feet long.
There we go. There we go. Oh, nice little growl. Nice little growl. You ready?
I'm ready as much as you are, buddy.
Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let go. Yeah, no, we'll do laundry later.
Hold on, Jeff. Let me just pull this up right here. Just keep her down close right here. Okay, buddy, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. I got it. I got it. Well, good job there, Mr. Jeff. Let's see how our little girl is doing in there. She's not too happy.
Not too happy. We got some urine to clean up in
Yeah,
here.
it doesn't smell too good in here right now. Okay. Well, let's all give Jeff a thanks. All right.
If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it.
All right. I just want to say hello to everybody here. It's a great Sunday. God bless all of you. See ya.